Is there an FBA training course? Yes, there are many Amazon FBA training courses available for sellers who want to learn how to start, manage, and grow a business using fulfillment by Amazon. These courses are structured for both beginners and experienced sellers, covering topics such as product research, account setup, supplier sourcing, listing optimization, and advertising strategies. The goal is to help you understand the FBA process from start to finish and build a profitable online business. A good FBA training course will guide you through step-by-step lessons on how to identify winning products, manage inventory, and handle logistics through Amazon's fulfillment centers. It will also teach marketing strategies like using keywords effectively, running ads, and increasing organic visibility. Many programs include mentorship and real-world examples to ensure you can apply the knowledge directly. Many successful sellers complement their learning with Helium 10, a leading e-commerce tool for Amazon sellers. Helium 10 provides everything from product validation and keyword tracking to listing optimization and competitor insights. Using Helium 10 alongside an FBA training course gives you both the knowledge and the practical tools needed to grow quickly and efficiently. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.